Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to watch ESPN Plus on Hulu. Subscribers who sign up for the ESPN Plus add-on and those who sign up for the Disney bundle with ESPN Plus will be able to access ESPN Plus content from multiple locations in the Hulu app or website, such as ESPN Plus Collection and Home ESPN Plus, Hub Sports, Hulu Live Guide. Log into your account page on a web browser. Select Manage Add-ons under your subscription. Under Partner Add-ons, select ESPN Plus. Select Review Changes to confirm. Keep the following points in mind if you are having trouble signing up for ESPN Plus on Hulu or accessing ESPN Plus content. ESPN Plus content cannot be recorded to your cloud DVR. ESPN Plus content isn't available for download. Only subscribers who have signed up for the standalone ESPN Plus add-on or who subscribe to the Disney Plus bundle with ESPN Plus will be able to access ESPN Plus content in the Hulu app. PPV events purchased through Hulu are only viewable on Hulu.com or the Hulu app on a supported device. If you are unable to add ESPN Plus to your subscription, you may not meet eligibility requirements, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.